Your divorce decision. Have troubles descended upon your marriage? Do you have a decision to make about your marriage? That is, do you have a divorce decision to make? Hi, I'm Gene Ferguson. I'm a downriver divorce attorney. My offices are located in Woodhaven and in Wyandotte. I've helped many good people just like you with their divorce decision. I've done so for nearly 3 decades. Further, I'm a married man with 6 children. Thus, I understand how difficult and important your divorce decision is. I believe I have the experience and the wisdom to help you. Your divorce decision. I want to help you with your divorce decision. We will carefully discuss all of your options. We will discuss the advantages and the disadvantages of each option. Your divorce decision must only be made after careful consideration. At the end of the day, I understand that it is your decision and your decision alone. I'm Gene Ferguson. I'm a downriver divorce attorney. I want to help you with your divorce decision. Please call me at 734 775 6656. Thanks a lot for watching and have a good day.